Welcome back. Today we'll start a new chapter called variation. The word variation comes from the word vary, which means change. Variables are something which changes, whose values are unknown. For example, age, weight, height of a person can change, according to certain condition. And these variables are denoted by letters x, y, z, etc. There are other terms such as constants, which are fixed numbers, whose values are already known. For example, 2 means 2, we know, 1 2. 4 means 4, 1 2 3 4, whose values are known or fixed are called constants. Now see, there are three types of variation. The first variation is direct variation. In physics, it is also called directly proportional. What happens here is, there will be two variables. Suppose say this is x and this is y. If x is directly varying with y, means that when y increases, x will also increase. When y decreases, x will also decrease. There will be a direct relation between the two. That is called direct variation. And it is denoted by this symbol. X is directly varying with y. X directly varies with y. For example, temperature and volume in case of gas. When the temperature of a gas increases, the volume also increases. So volume is directly proportional to temperature, or volume directly varies with temperature. Another one is inverse or indirect variation. Here we will have two variables. One is x, another is y. Now when y increases, the value of x, instead of increasing, will decrease. And when y decreases, x will increase. It will be inverse, opposite. This kind of relation is what is called inverse variation. And it is denoted by this symbol. X inversely varies with 1 by y. 1 by. We have to write the reciprocal of y. In the numerator there is 1, and this variable will be in the denominator. Indirect, there is in the numerator, both are in the numerator. In inverse, one is in the numerator, another is in the denominator. Best example is that of pressure and volume. In case of gases, when pressure increases, volume decreases. When pressure decreases, volume of a gas increases. So that is the indirect variation. Now the third one is mixed variation. Here there will be three variables, x, y, and z. Suppose say x is directly varying with y, and the same x is inversely varying with z. Then we write x directly varies with y, x inversely varies with z. Then if we combine these two, then what we will find? X will be varying directly with y and inversely with z. This kind of variable. Two variations, if we combine, we get mixed variation. That is the thing. Now next is how to convert variation or proportional into is equal to. Because when we do problems, we have to convert the variation, this symbol, into equal to. So there is a method of converting variation into equal to. How do we do it? See, suppose x directly varies with y. Then in order to convert this direct variation symbol into equal to symbol, what we have to do is we have to introduce one constant k. We have to bring one new constant k, where this k is called constant of variation. And if we remove this constant, then this is equal to will again convert back into variation. So from variation to is equal to, introduce a constant. From is equal to variation, remove the constant. That is the concept that you have to learn. And in the next, suppose this is inverse variation, same variation to equal to, if you want to convert, you introduce one constant k. Okay, and if you want this equal to change into variation, then you have to remove this constant. Okay, similarly we have these two variations, and if we combine them, then we get this is a mixed variation. And if we want to convert this variation into equal to, then what we have to do is we have to introduce one constant. Okay, we have to bring one constant k. We have to write here k, where k is also what is called the constant of variation. Okay, and if you want your equal to be converted into proportion or variation, then again what we are going to do is we are going to remove this constant back. Okay, so this is how we have to deal with the variation symbol. Okay.